Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add products or collections to a homepage on your Shopify store. Now this is going to be a quick video and easy. So what you need to do guys, first I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to click here on online store. I just created this Shopify store for today's video. Now you want to click here online store, okay, as you can see, and then you want to click on customize. Okay, so after guys you click on customize, it will take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do first, here in the top you want to click on in the top here you want to select here home page. Okay, now after you are on the home page, as you can see, of your Shopify store, then what you guys need to do here, or it says header, you can also, for example, it says templates, as you can see here, you can click on here that says add section. Okay, now after guys you click on add section, you can either add collection list, or you can add, for example, featured product. Okay, you can add a product. Now you can decide what you want. For example, if you want to add the product, you just need to click here features product, and here you want to select a product here in the top, and then you want to select one of the products that you have, for example this one. After that you want to click on select, and you can also make some changes here. For example, you can like change like the desktop media width, as you can see, or like the desktop media position. You can make some changes to this as you want. As you can also, if this like product has a video, you can also enable video looping if you have it. Okay, you can also add some code if you want to the product. Now if you want to add the feature like collection, click again on add section, click on featured collection, and this is the collection. Now you can like add as many products to the collection. For example, I'm going to, yeah, just here you can add the products to the collection. Just click on the collection, and you can also name the collection whatever you want. You can change the name here. Okay, so after guys you change the name, you can also change the heading size. You can add the description here. You can add, for example, image shape. For example, you can change this to round, for example. Okay, and that's exactly how you can do this. It's very simple, easy. You can also make some changes if you want here. Okay, so hopefully this one guys helped you. If it does, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.